Hello everyone and welcome to Destin Learning. Today we're going to explore the fascinating world of computer science, what it is, where it came from, and why it matters in our modern world. This presentation will give you a broad overview of the field and preview what we'll be covering in the coming month. Computer science goes far beyond just programming or using computers. It's a rich discipline that explores fundamental questions about computation, data, and problem solving. It combines rigorous theoretical foundations with practical engineering applications. What makes it particularly exciting is how it continuously transforms our world, from smartphones to artificial intelligence systems that now impact nearly every aspect of modern society. A common misconception is that computer science is simply about computers, but this is like saying astronomy is about telescopes. Computers are the tools, but the real focus is on computation itself, the processes of solving problems algorithmically. Computer science examines what can be computed, how to compute it efficiently, and the best ways to represent and manipulate information. It requires both logical precision and creative thinking, making it both a science and an art form. Computer science has a rich history that predates modern computers. Charles Babbage designed mechanical computing machines in the 1800s, while Ada Lovelace wrote what many consider the first algorithm. The theoretical foundations were solidified in the 1930s and 40s with Alan Turing's work on computability and John von Neumann's computer architecture. The field exploded with the development of the first electronic computers, then transformed society with personal computers in the 70s and 80s, the internet in the 90s, and the mobile and AI revolutions we're experiencing today. Computer science encompasses many specialized subfields. Algorithms and data structures form the foundation of efficient problem solving. Programming languages and software engineering provide the tools to build complex systems. Computer architecture deals with the design of computing systems. AI and machine learning focus on creating intelligent behavior. Computer graphics renders visual information. Networking connects systems together while security protects them. Databases organize and retrieve information. Theory of computation explores the fundamental limits of what can be computed. Each area has its own research community, but they all interconnect in practical applications. The impact of computer science on our world cannot be overstated. It has revolutionized virtually every industry, from healthcare to transportation to entertainment. Computing technology has created entirely new economic models and millions of jobs. On an individual level, it has democratized access to information and services. Computer science is increasingly at the center of addressing our biggest global challenges, from medical diagnostics to climate modeling to educational access. Understanding computer science has become an essential form of literacy in the modern world. Let's address some common misconceptions. While programming is important, computer science is much broader, involving design, theory, and problem solving. While mathematical thinking helps, you don't need to be a math prodigy to succeed. Most professionals spend more time designing, communicating, and collaborating than just writing code. Computer science is highly collaborative. Teams build today's complex systems together. And perhaps most importantly, this field benefits from diverse perspectives and is open to anyone with curiosity and persistence. Computer science offers incredibly diverse career paths. Beyond traditional software development, graduates work in data science analyzing complex information, cybersecurity protecting systems, AI research pushing the boundaries of what machines can do, product management guiding technology development, UX design creating intuitive interfaces, systems administration maintaining critical infrastructure, academic research, entrepreneurship building new companies, and specialized roles in virtually every industry. Few other degrees offer this breadth of opportunity or the ability to create such wide-ranging impact. Over the next month, we'll take a journey through the landscape of computer science. We'll start with foundational concepts, how to think computationally and approach problems algorithmically. In Week 2, we'll explore programming languages and the software development process. Week 3 will focus on how data is organized and systems are structured. We'll conclude by examining cutting-edge technologies that are shaping the future and the ethical considerations they raise. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of what computer science encompasses. Success in computer science is less about innate talent and more about developing certain habits and approaches. Cultivate a problem-solving mindset that breaks down complex challenges into manageable parts. Regular practice is essential. Programming and computational thinking are skills that improve with use. Building your own projects provides practical experience that goes beyond theory. Collaboration enhances learning and reflects real-world practice. Maintain curiosity about new developments in this rapidly evolving field. And perhaps most importantly, embrace the iterative process of trial, error, and improvement. Debugging is not failure, it's an essential part of the learning journey. There are abundant resources available to support your exploration of computer science. Online platforms offer structured courses on various topics. Interactive coding sites provide hands-on practice with immediate feedback. Several excellent books can deepen your understanding of fundamental concepts. Online communities connect you with other learners and experienced professionals. Many universities also provide open access to their course materials. I encourage you to explore these resources based on your personal learning style and interests. To summarize, computer science is a multifaceted discipline that studies computation and information. It blends theoretical foundations with practical engineering and creative problem-solving. From its origins with mechanical calculators to today's AI systems, it has evolved dramatically and continues to reshape our world. The field offers incredible career diversity and the chance to make meaningful impact. Over the next month, we'll explore its many dimensions together. Remember that computational thinking is a skill anyone can develop with practice and persistence. I hope this introduction has sparked your curiosity about the fascinating world of computer science. If you'd like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye for now.